A person that strived for wanting it better and got it.
Have you ever wondered about the secret to an age-defying, energy-filled life?
What's love got to do with it?
Well, the enchanting Tina Turner, a music legend, silver screen queen, the symbol of resilience and grace, might just have cracked that code.
You're not going to do anything to her. I don't think there's going to ever be a woman that can touch her.
At the age of 83, Tina has not only transformed herself, but also discovered the secret of health and longevity. Buckle up as this video takes you on a roller coaster ride through the life and times of the phenomenal Tina Turner.
If they're still giving me awards at 81, I must have done something right.
Her story is a testament to the power of transformation and the magic that lies in embracing every day with a smile.
In Buddhism, you accept death because you know it's a part.
First things first, let's take a brief detour to the 60s when Tina first stepped into the spotlight as part of the electrifying Ike and Tina Turner duo. With a voice that could stop time and dance moves that set the stage on fire, Tina, alongside her then-husband Ike, gave us unforgettable hits like A Fool in Love, River Deep Mountain High, and Proud Mary. Their energy was unmatched, their performances were legendary. But behind the curtain, Tina's life was far from the glitz and glamour it appeared to be. Her relationship with Ike was plagued with domestic violence, a dark secret that finally led to their divorce in 1978. However, Tina rose from the ashes of her past, launching an even more successful solo career. Her chart-topping hits like What's Love Got to Do with It, Private Dancer, and We Don't Need Another Hero still echo in our hearts. Her stellar career boasts 12 Grammy Awards and a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame, but her real victory was her unbreakable spirit. At 83, Tina is living proof of the phrase, age is just a number. Her secret? Well, it's simpler than you might think. Tina believes that every crisis is a stepping stone to transformation. Each hurdle, each heartbreak, and every health scare, she says, feels like a mountain while she was going through it. But with each trial, she only came out stronger, transforming the poison of adversity into the medicine of wisdom. But Tina's philosophy is not just about surviving crises, it's about finding the sunshine beyond the rain. When life throws you curveballs, Tina emphasizes you control your response.
She's the epitome of never giving up on yourself.
Choose hope over despair, kindness over resentment, and you'll find the storm easier to weather. Stay positive, never surrender, and victory will be yours. The legendary singer's devotion to self-care plays an important role in her lifestyle. Tina doesn't consider self-care a luxury, but a duty, a commitment to herself. She draws strength from her firm belief that each one of us has a unique purpose. She also believes deeply in constant kindness and happiness, reminding herself in tough times that she has a responsibility to spread joy. And what about her diet and fitness? The icon star keeps her weight in check by avoiding late-night snacks and drinking plenty of water. Her diet is full of healthy food, healthy carbs like brown rice, and proteins like meat, fish, and nuts. She limits her sugar intake as well as her alcohol drinking. Tina says two of her favorite foods are Thai and Italian cuisine. She is able to maintain a good exercise routine. Her current home in Switzerland has plenty of stairs, which she climbs for a good 10-mile workout. Not to forget dancing, her first love, keeps her fit and fabulous. It's no surprise that her passion for dance has been one of the secrets of her youth, keeping her strong and spry throughout the years. And her routine isn't complete without saunas and steam rooms, part of her holistic approach to health.
You know, it's hard for us to compete with her because I always did the twist, I always danced and stuff.
Now on to the subject that has everyone talking, Tina Turner's legs. Even at 83, they're as stunning as they were in her prime, toned, fit, and absolutely fabulous. It's no surprise that she's been showcasing them with pride for decades. So, how does she maintain them? In addition to her commitment to exercise, Tina also places a premium on skincare. She swears by daily use of body oil to keep her skin smooth and radiant. Plus, she shares that she wears compression stockings during performances. This is to boost blood flow and reduce the risk of swelling when she spends a significant time on her feet. But the biggest secret of Tina's lifestyle, the one that truly sets her apart, is her mental attitude.
I was always spiritual. I never stopped praying. I still pray. I will always pray.
She's a firm believer that women should be proud of who they are, regardless of their age. If you look good and can still do it, then do it. My attitude is not one of a 69-year-old woman. She says that aging is a mindset and age just a number. What matters most is how we feel in our hearts. Tina radiates joy and gratitude every day, a testament to her life lived fully through both trials and triumphs. Her 80s, she says, are full of blessings that make her life picture perfect. In a world obsessed with youth, Tina Turner serves as an idol, showing the path to aging gracefully. Her life is proof that no matter your age, you can seize each day with strength and gratitude. Her story stands as a testament to the power of hope, kindness, and self-care. Her wisdom inspires us to look beyond the wrinkles and gray hair to see that age truly is just a number. Said by the icon herself, simply the best, better than all the rest. Tina Turner remains a legend whose legacy of resilience, transformation, and age-defying vibrancy continues to inspire generations. She's not just surviving her 80s, she's thriving in them, proving to the world that every sunset holds the promise of a new dawn, every storm the promise of a rainbow. So, remember, the sunshine will come again. Choose hope, kindness, self-care, and let age be just a number.
Songs actually inspired me, and so my steps inspired him, so that those sort of came together.
Like Tina, embrace life with open arms and a heart full of song.